As demands heighten for assessments for at-risk students, the Sharpe Diagnostic and Early Intervention Center in Granville in St. James has announced expansion plans. Our reporter Kimberly Petty explains.
Jamaica has been heavily criticized for failing to meet the educational demands of children with special needs. A growing number of them go unassessed as they are placed on a waiting list. This has resulted in delays in enrollment for some children who are forced to stay home. Some Sharpe Teachers College is one of 4 teachers' colleges in Jamaica that has a diagnostic center. Principal Ricardo Bennett is reporting that there has been a growing need for early assessments.
What we're seeing over time is that there is a demand for students to be assessed. Some Sharpe Teachers College offers assessment free of cost, something that we can boast right there in Western Jamaica.
To meet the demand, the institution will be making key changes.
In recent times, based on a thrust from the Ministry of Education, we will now be expanding our center. The number of staff members will now we'll have 2 clinical psychologists, 2 diagnosticians.
Currently, he says 30 assessments are done monthly.
So we will be increasing the number of assessments. As a matter of fact, we were doing 30 assessments per month. We will now be moving to 60 assessments per month. So it's a critical need in Jamaica. A number of our children enter the system while some are in school undiagnosed.
The Sharpe Diagnostic and Early Intervention Center has been operational since 2018. Kimberly Petty, TVJ News.